Hello students, standard 7th. We are learning the chapter 11 perimeter and area. We remember that we have to learn the formulas. Formulas must be in your mind. We learn the formulas of perimeter and area of square and rectangle and some other figures. Also we learn the circumference and area of the circle and semicircle. Now in exercise 11.3, question number 10. Here you can see that from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle with length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are cut, removed, and we have to find the area of the remaining sheet. So now first we will find the area of that whole sheet. The radius of circular card sheet, CR, is given as 14 centimeters. So first we will find the area. Therefore, area of circular sheet is equal to pi r square 22 upon 7 because it is mentioned here into 14 into 14, 7 to the 14. So 22 multiplied by 14 to the 28. That is 616 centimeters square. Now, radius of each circle removed, that is how much? 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, area of two circles removed is equal to 2 pi r square because 2 times circles. So 2 times 20 by 2 by 7 into 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10. 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 2 to cancel. 7 5s are 2 5s are and 2 11s are. So 11 7s are 77 centimeters square. Now for removed rectangle, the length and breadth are given. Length L is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Breadth B is 1 centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth, 3 ones are 3 centimeters square. Therefore, area of remaining part of circular sheet is equal to, now from the total area, means from 606 we have to subtract the two areas, means 77 plus 3, that is 616 minus 80 centimeter square. So that is 6 minus 0, 6, 11 minus 3 and 5, so 536 centimeter square. So here we have to find the area of the whole circle, and then from that we have to subtract the total area of these three figures. So we separately find the areas, and then last we subtract those two areas from the total card area to get the answer like that. Now 11th sum. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Given that take pi equals 3.14. So here a square aluminum sheet is there, and from it a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut. So we have to find the area of this remaining sheet. So now for square sheet, side is given. Side area is how much? 6 centimeter. Therefore area of sheet, area of aluminum sheet is L square, means length multiplied by length, 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36 centimeter square. Now radius of circle is given. R is 2 centimeter. So area of circle, there is pi r square. Now pi is given as 3.14. So 3.14 into 2 into 2. So we have to multiply 3.14 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. To 12.56 centimeter square. So now remaining part, we have to find the area of that part. So we have to subtract it. So the area of remaining part is equal to area of square minus area of circle, that is 616 minus 12.56. 616 minus 12.56. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 5 minus 2, 3. So the remaining scrap area is 603.44 centimeters square. Let's do the next 12. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area. Find the radius and the area of the circle. And here we have to take pi equals 3.14. So now circumference is given. Circumference of circle is given as 31.4 centimeter. And from the circumference first we have to find the radius, and from that radius we obtain, we have to find the area of that same circle. So now circumference, what is the formula to find the circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. So 2 multiplied by 3.14, so 314 upon 100 multiplied by r is equal to 314 upon here 10, because only one decimal place is there. So r is equal to 314 upon 10 multiplied by this 100 will go up, and 2 and 314. So 314 is cancelled, 1 0 is cancelled, 2 5s are 10. So we get radius r is 5 centimeter. Now from the radius we need to find the area of the circle. So now area of the circle, what is the formula to find the area of the circle? That is pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14 into radius is 5, so 5 multiplied by 5, so it is 3.14 multiplied by 25. So now we have to do the multiplication. So 78.5 or 50, 78.50. So all the units are centimeter. So the square, the area will have the unit centimeter square. So here the circumference of the circle was given. And therefore, first of all, from the circumference, we have to find the radius by using that formula, and then from that we have to find the area. Now the 12th question. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter what is the area of the path. So here inside it is a flower bed which is surrounded by the path whose width is 4 meter, and we have to find the area of that path. For that, what we have to do? We have to find the total area along with path and only flower bed. Then we have to do the subtraction. So now diameter of flower bed is equal to 66 meter. Therefore, radius r is equal to d upon 2. Here you can say it is as d. So d upon 2, that is 66 upon 2, 33 meter. Width of path is 4 meter. Therefore, radius of outer border of path is equal to 33 plus 4, because that is 33 and plus 4, that is 37 meter. So now we have to find the area of outer circle minus area of the flower bed. So now area of outer circle means along with path is equal to pi r square. Now here, given that pi is 3.14, question number 12, pi is given as 3.14, that is the 13th question. So now 3.14 into 37 into 37. Or just we will keep pi as it is. Pi into 37, we will put the value of pi at last, as we did in the previous also. So that is equal to 37 multiplied by 37. One 1,359 pi. Now area of flower bed, also pi r square, but it is have the area radius 33 meter. So 33 into 33. So now 33 multiplied by 33, 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18, 10, 89 pi. Therefore, area of path is equal to 1359 pi minus 1089 pi. So 9 minus 9, 0, 15 minus 8, 7. Here you have 2 minus 0, 2. So 275. So now we have to put the value of pi. So 270 into 314 upon 100. 1 0 is cancelled. So we will multiply and then put one decimal again. So 314 multiplied by 27. Is equal to 847.8 meter square. Here also all must have the meter square. So By this way, if you know the formulas, you can do easily. So we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by PDF, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.